Once you complete your order, you'll instantly receive this PDF download. Just click on any pack, and you're taken straight to the folder. Alright, let's open the Planters pack as an example. As you can see, all the files are sorted, cleanly named, and ready to download or browse right here online. Everything stays updated automatically, so there's no need to re-download or go hunting for new links. Same goes for every other pack. Here's the Scary Masks folder. There's hundreds of detailed STL files, all fully organised. And here's a look inside the Book Nooks collection. I'll just show these 3 examples to keep it short, but the same structure applies to every single category inside the Mega Pack. No zips, no mess. Just a clean, organised vault of 3D printable STL files you can access anytime.